Hello world, Branko from MikroE will be your host today, with the purpose of presenting a prototype which provides smart garden lighting system, for example, with which you are able to transform your backyard into a mesmerizing oasis of color and ambience, controlled at your fingertips. With this prototype containing LED lights, potential use cases are smart lighting solutions in homes, buildings, or outer spaces, or integrating those into entertainment venues for ambience control. Now it features LED driver clickboard. It's based on the NCP5623B triple output RGB LED driver controlled via the I2C protocol to enable dynamic lighting effects. Its internal DC to DC converter efficiently powers all three LED segments, with current flow regulated by internal current mirrors. Gradual dimming functionality allows easy intensity adjustment. The board includes a voltage level translator for compatibility with both 3.3 volts and 5 volt MCUs. Tools used for this prototype are ClickR4 for PIC18F, and you don't need an external programmer. It has it built in, which is super nice, with a microcontroller on it and official prototype documentation, with code included into documentation, and finally the coding environment. This exact prototype can be found on the Embedded Wiki platform and can be programmed with Necto coding environment. And by the way, you are able to select over 800 different projects with this Click add-on board if you need a similar prototype. What I prefer is browsing the Embedded Wiki article to get me started with this prototype. That is the first thing. The second thing, downloading the working code from within the Necto environment. And the third thing is flashing the code to get a desired result. Now, do it yourself. Branko out.